Okay, today we're going to be talking about how do we regroup or borrow with a subtraction problem. Okay, you might be starting this new in class and you might have bigger problems that you need to subtract, and sometimes it involves borrowing. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of working a subtraction problem with borrowing. So if you look on the screen, let's say that we have 347 minus 289. Okay? So 347 minus 289. Well, one thing that you need to know how to do is your place values, okay? And we learn that when we learn how to add two-digit, three-digit numbers and two-digit, three-digit subtraction problems, okay? So our place value, what we're going to do is start in the ones place right here where the 7 and 9 is, okay? And then we have the tens place here where the 4 and 8 is, and 3 and 2 in the hundreds place, okay? When we are subtracting or adding, whether borrowing and carrying, we always start in that ones place. And you need to ask yourself this question: 7 minus 9. Can I take 9 from 7? Well, put 7 fingers up. Can you take 9 from 7? If your answer is no, then you know you have to borrow from the tens place to make that 7 a bigger number. So right here in the tens place, I have 4 tens, which is basically 40 sitting there. And if I cross out the 4 and take 1 10 from it, I'm going to put that 1 right there in front of my 7. And at the top, if I take 10 from 40, that's going to give me 30 or 3 on top, okay? And you're looking at it and you're probably, oh yeah, well, I can subtract it now. I have 17 minus 9. You can do that, but not yet. Take a look at the tens place. You have 3 minus 8. Ask yourself that question again. Can I take 8 from 3? Well, put 3 up. Can you take 8 from it? If your answer is no, you need to continue borrowing. And the way that we do that is we go to the hundreds place. There's 300 sitting right here. I'm going to take 100 from that 3. And I'm going to take that 1 and put it right here in the tens place next to the 3 to make it a bigger number. And when I take 100 from 300, I now put a 2 on top, which makes that 200, okay? Now, look at your numbers. Are all your numbers on the top here big numbers? And the ones on the bottom, little numbers? Yes, they are. So what is 17 minus 9? 17 minus 9, if you're good in subtraction, you should know is 8. Okay? And another way that you can figure this out is what's 9 plus 8? If you come up with 17 and that's sitting on the top, then you know you are doing it right. Now let's go to the tens place. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay? So again, add 8 and 5 here and see if you get 13. Let's see. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's what's sitting on top. Now we have 2 minus 2 in the hundreds place. Well, we know 2 minus 2 is 0. Now you can put a 0, but we normally do not right here in this spot, okay? So your answer should be 58. And if you take 289 and you take 58 and you add it, you should come up with that number on top, which is the 347, okay? Well, let's see if it works out. 289 plus 58. Okay, now we know that there's going to be some carrying in here, and we're going to start in the ones place because we know 9 plus 8 is 17, right? And 8 plus 1 is 9. And 9 plus 5 is 14. And to the hundredths place, 2 plus 1 is 3. And if you look, this is the same number that is sitting right here. That's how you can check your problem. Have a great day. Hope this helped.